Busting your chops, a deep dive into slang. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a popular English slang phrase, busting your chops. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, busting your chops, might sound a bit strange at first, but it's commonly used in informal English. Essentially, it means to tease someone or to give someone a hard time. However, it's important to note that this phrase is often used in a friendly, joking manner among friends or colleagues. It's a way to poke fun at someone without intending real harm. Understanding where the phrase comes from can help us grasp its meaning better. Chops is a slang term that originally referred to a person's jaw or mouth area. Over time, busting someone's chops came to be associated with the idea of giving someone a hard time, either through teasing or through rigorous questioning. The phrase has evolved to be less literal and more figurative, capturing the essence of playful banter or criticism. Using busting your chops correctly requires understanding the context and tone of the conversation. It's best used in casual, informal settings among people who know each other well. For example, in jest among friends, "I'm just busting your chops, don't take it so seriously." In a workplace among colleagues, "I know I've been tough on you about this project, but I'm just busting your chops. You're doing a great job." Remember, the tone should always be light-hearted and friendly. Misusing this phrase in a serious or formal context could lead to misunderstandings. We hope this video has shed some light on the playful and interesting phrase, busting your chops. English is full of colorful idioms like this, and understanding them not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate social interactions more effectively. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use busting your chops when the moment is right. Just make sure it's all in good fun. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.